In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Authenticator on Windows 11. And here's the key truth right up front. You can't actually install Microsoft Authenticator as a real desktop app on Windows 11. Microsoft designed Authenticator specifically for mobile devices, and they don't offer a Windows or Mac version. If you search the Microsoft Store on your PC, you won't find an official Authenticator app. If you do see anything that looks similar, it isn't the real Microsoft Authenticator. So how does this work in practice? Your Windows 11 PC is where you sign in, but your phone is where the authentication happens. Think of the PC as the place that starts the login, and your phone as the device that confirms it's really you. This keeps the second factor separate and more secure. Here's the correct way to set it up. Use your phone, either Android or iPhone, to install the Microsoft Authenticator app from the official App Store. Open it, sign in if needed, and make sure notifications are allowed. When you go to sign in on your PC, say, to your Microsoft account in a browser or an app, you'll see an option to set up the Authenticator. The site will show a QR code. On your phone, add an account in the Authenticator app, choose the Microsoft account option, and scan that QR code. That securely links your phone to your account. From that point on, the flow is simple. On your Windows 11 PC, enter your email and password as usual. Microsoft then sends a prompt to your phone. You'll see a request to approve or deny, and sometimes you may be asked to match a number or confirm with your fingerprint or face, depending on your phone's settings. Tap Approve, and your PC signs in. The PC never runs the Authenticator app itself. It just waits for the approval coming from your phone. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep notifications enabled on your phone so you don't miss prompts. If your organization requires Authenticator, complete the setup while you're on a reliable network. Consider turning on cloud backup inside the Authenticator app so you can recover your accounts if you switch phones. And always deny any prompt you weren't expecting. To wrap up, you cannot install Microsoft Authenticator on Windows 11. The Authenticator is a phone app only, and your PC relies on it for approvals. On the Windows side, you'll continue using your browser sign-in and can pair that with Windows Hello for added convenience. That's the secure, supported way to use Microsoft Authenticator with Windows 11.